Want to get into Instagram Reels but not sure where to start? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Reels on Instagram. Now let's get started. Instagram Reels are short vertical videos similar to TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Reels are fun videos that can incorporate effects, music, text, and other creative tools. If your Instagram profile is public, your published Reels may also get featured on the Explore page or in the Reels feed for other Instagram users to discover. This is a great way to reach new audiences and grow your following. Let's get into the steps to making a video with Reels. To begin, open the Instagram app and tap the plus sign at the bottom of your screen. At the bottom, select Reels. On the left, you'll see a menu of tools that you can use before you start creating your reel. The first one is the audio tool. Here you can choose a song or other audio to use for your video. Scroll through the featured tracks or use the search bar to find something specific. Tap the play button on the right to hear a preview of a song. Tap a song name to add it to your video. Use the slider at the bottom to select what part of the track you want to use. Then tap Done. The next tool is Effects. Here you'll find the same kinds of effects you can use on Instagram stories. There are colored filters, face effects, and more. Scroll through the featured effects in the menu at the bottom to check out some options, or search for a specific effect using the search tool. If you've previously saved effects in the story camera, you can find those effects by tapping the ribbon icon. The arrow icon is the Add Yours feature. Tap this icon to see popular Add Yours stickers that you could create a corresponding reel for. If you tap an Add Yours sticker, it will be added to your reel, and your reel will be linked to that sticker once published. You can move and resize the Add Yours sticker as you would any other sticker. The next option is Length. Choose the maximum length you want your reel to be. You can make it 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 90 seconds. The next tool is Speed. Use this to make your video play faster or slower. You can choose from 1/3 speed, half speed, 1x which is normal speed, 2x, 3x, or 4x speed. If you choose a slower playback speed, you'll hear your selected audio play super fast while you're recording. If you choose a faster playback speed, your audio will sound slow while you're recording. The next option is Layout. With this tool, you can create your reel using a grid layout. Tap Change Grid to choose the layout you want to use. Learn more about the layout feature in our Instagram layout tutorial. The next tool here is Timer. With this, you can easily record a clip hands-free. Use the slider to select how long you want the clip to be. You could record just a couple seconds or the full duration you've set. Once you've chosen the length of your clip, tap Set Timer. When you press record with the timer on, you'll see a 3-second countdown before the recording starts, allowing you time to get into position. Recording will automatically stop after the selected duration. The last option is the dual camera feature. This is similar to BeReal, where you can capture an image using both your device's front and back cameras at the same time. If you tap the arrows in the bottom right corner, you can switch which camera view is the smaller one. You can upload media from your device's camera roll to post as a reel by tapping the square in the bottom left corner and selecting photos or videos. Or you can record a reel directly within the app using Instagram's camera. Hold down the shutter button to record a clip. Release it to stop recording. You can continue recording clips until the length you've set for your reel has been reached. Once you've recorded one clip, you'll see another tool appear at the bottom of the toolbar. This one is called Align. With this tool active, you'll see a transparent still from the end of your previous clip overlaid on your screen. This is to help you line up objects or people so that your transitions are more seamless with less effort. Continue recording clips until you're finished. With each new clip you record, you can change the speed and effects if you like. If you change the song you've selected after recording a clip or two, it will replace the song you originally selected. When you're done recording, tap Next in the bottom right corner to see a preview of your reel. Now you're at the stage where you can edit your reel. To trim or adjust your clips, tap Edit Clips in the bottom left corner. Tap a clip to edit it. You can drag the marker at the beginning or end of the clip to trim it. Tap play to see a preview of your clip. When you're done, tap all clips to go back. You can add additional clips by tapping the plus sign. You can then record another clip or upload a photo or video from your device. If you'd like to change the order of your clips, tap Reorder. Then drag your clips into the order you want them. If you want to remove a clip, tap the minus symbol on a clip to delete it. Then tap Discard to confirm. Tap Done to save your changes. If you like, you can add transitions between your clips. Tap Transitions. Then tap the plus sign where you want to add a transition. Tap a transition to see what it looks like. When you find one you want to use, you can tap Apply to All to use this transition between all of your clips, or tap Done to just add this transition to the point you selected. When you're finished making changes to your clips, tap Done. Now you can add effects, stickers, text, and draw on your reel if you like. When you're done editing, tap Next at the bottom. Finally, we're at the posting stage. Here you can add a caption for your reel and add hashtags and tag any other users that appear in your video. Tap Edit Cover to pick a cover frame for your reel. You can use the slider at the bottom to select a frame from your video, or tap Add from Camera Roll to upload a different image to use as the cover. Tap Profile Grid to adjust the crop of your cover image to see how it will appear on your profile. When you're finished, tap Done. The Share to Feed option will automatically be enabled, but if you only want your reel to be posted to the Reels section of your profile and not shared to your main feed, disable this option by tapping the blue switch. Configure your Reels settings. Once you're ready to post your reel, tap Share. If you're not quite ready to share it, you can instead save it as a draft. You can view your posted reels and drafts by going to your profile and tapping the Reels icon. That does it for our beginner's guide to Instagram Reels. If you'd like to learn more about specific Instagram Reels advanced features, check out our playlist of Reels tutorials. You can learn how to add automatic subtitles, how to use Reels templates, how to remix Reels, how to use the text-to-speech tool, and more. Links for these tutorials and the full playlist can be found in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.